Hello everybody, today we are going to construct a line segment AB of length 6.4 cm and then we will construct its axis of symmetry. Now the line segment, how to draw, everybody knows about that. And what about the axis of symmetry? First, the question is given. First, we will construct a line segment 6.4 cm and then we will construct its axis of symmetry. Now here in this context, the axis of symmetry means nothing but the perpendicular bisector of AB. So what we have to do first? First, we will draw a line segment AB of length 6.4 cm. Then on the line segment 6.4 cm we will draw a perpendicular bisector and which will be the axis of symmetry. Okay, so let's start without wasting our time. So first of all, we will draw a 6.4 cm line segment over here like this. So suppose this is our 6.4 cm. Let us name it. Let us write down the level 6.4 cm, and then using this 6.4 cm we will copy another line segment with measure 6.4 cm. So for copying the line segment, we have drawn the measurement. Then we will draw another line segment which is bigger than 6.4 cm roughly. So as you can see, this line segment and this line segment, their lengths are different, and obviously this is not 6.4 cm, it is quite bigger than this. And now we will copy this 6.4 cm. We will copy this. So for copying this angle, everybody knows I have already shown how to copy a line segment in the previous video. So here we will take the radius in the compass, and then we have taken this measurement from the 6.4 cm, and then once you have taken this radius, please don't disturb this gap. So using this gap, now we will put the needle at this point and then we will cut it over here. Okay, so this is our 6.4 cm. And can you tell me here what is the name of this line segment? Because the question is given, draw a line segment AB of length 6.4 cm. So what will be the length of this line segment? Yes, obviously the name will be AB. So this is our AB line segment of measurement 6.4 cm. Okay. Now the second part of this question is construct its axis of symmetry. Now axis of symmetry, as I have already told you all at the beginning of this video, that here in this context, axis of symmetry of a line segment means perpendicular bisector. Okay, so axis of symmetry means perpendicular bisector. So next we have to draw a perpendicular bisector on the line AB, and for drawing this perpendicular bisector, first of all we will put the needle at the point, at one end point of the line segment, and we will increase the pencil arm of the compass in such a way that roughly it is looking, the radius of this compass is bigger than half. So this means we will take the radius in the compass in such a way that the distance between the needle and the pencil arm is bigger than half of this line segment. So here the line segment is given 6.4 cm, and if you take the half of 6.4, so it is coming 3.5, and whatever measurement we have taken in this compass, whatever radius we have taken in this compass, easily we can see that this measurement is bigger than 3.2 cm, which is half of this measurement of this line segment. Okay, so please do remember, while constructing the perpendicular bisector of any line segment, we have to take the radius in the compass bigger than half of the given measurement. Okay, So here you have already taken Now let us put the needle at this point A, as you can see, and then we will cut an arc here and one more arc down like this. Okay, so two arcs. Putting the needle at the point A, we have drawn 1 and 2. Similarly, two more arcs we have to draw, putting the needle at the point B, such that it cuts the previous arc like this and like this. Okay, so easily you can see that here we have got a point of intersection and here one more. So to get this line of symmetry, what we have to do, we will just join these two points of intersection, so this and this, okay, using ruler. Let us join this. So this point and this point, and we will extend them little bit up and down, so like this. Okay student, easily you can see that this line is actually the axis of symmetry of the line segment AB. Now the question is, why it is called axis of symmetry? Symmetry means this line segment, this perpendicular bisector is dividing the line segment AB into two equal parts. So which are the two equal parts? A, if I give the name of this point O, then AO is one part and the another part is OB. Okay, so AO and OB, these are the two symmetrical parts of the entire line segment AB. And if we measure the length of AO, let us measure it. Yes, you can see that it is 3.2 centimeter. It is 3.2 centimeter, and the measurement of OB is also 3.2. Okay, so here you can see that the length of AO is equal to length of OB, and if you measure the angle at the point O, you can also see that this line is perpendicular to the line segment AB. Okay, so can you see? So this line is perpendicular to this line. So this means AO is equal to OB. Not only this, this is also perpendicular. So that's why this line segment is called perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Why perpendicular? Because this line we have drawn, it is 90 degree, and bisector means dividing into two equal parts. Bisect, dividing into two equal parts. So this means AO is equal to OB. I have shown you measuring their line segments part by part. Okay, so this means this line segment, let us name this line segment P and Q. Okay, now finally we will write down the statement. Therefore, PQ is the axis of symmetry of the line segment AB equal to 6.4 centimeter. This is done. Okay, so this PQ is the line of symmetry of AB. PQ is the axis of symmetry of AB, or we can say PQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, hope you have understood this. So thank you.